I'm Shantini and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a jewelry subscription box unboxing, and it's going to be a very affordable jewelry subscription box that I'm going to unbox today. So basically the jewelry subscription box that I'm going to unbox is from the House of Pandora. Basically House of Pandora was initially an Instagram store, but now they have their own website. So it's basically an online store from where you can get different jewelries, plus you can get different subscription boxes. Now they have a lot of subscription plans, and these are not actually monthly subscription plans. These are more like, you can get them whenever you want to. So basically they have the 99 rupees plan, then they have the 299 rupees plan, which today I'm going to unbox. So let's talk about the 299 rupees plan, which I'm going to unbox today. So it basically has 5 jewelry pieces in it, and you can choose any 5 jewelry pieces of your choice. And by any, I literally mean that, because they have a lot of different options, guys. Like, they will fill you with different options. I'm actually going to put up screenshots on my screen so that you can see what are the options they give their customers. So basically I went for this plan right here. Apart from this, guys, they give you a lot of other options, where you can choose the type of jewelry. You can tell them what kind of material you like, what kind of metal you like, and they are going to send you jewelry pieces according to your choice. So I have basically received my box, and here is the box, guys. So once you open up the box, the card just flew out. So once you open up the box, here are the different cards and everything in it. So guys, let's start with the first jewelry piece in the box. So the first jewelry piece in the box is a pair of Afghani earrings, and here they are, guys. They are just beautiful. Just look at them. I am in a total love with the first piece itself. So this is how it looks, guys. Like, it's a tassel Afghani earring, as you can see. The price of this one is rupees 200 itself. So okay, guys, so I have it on, and this is how it looks, guys. I'm just spellbound. This is beautiful, guys. Like, just look at it. I think this is such a statement piece. This is going to instantly just change any of your outfit. It looks beautiful, guys. Like, it's really pretty. So the next piece that I've received is this mirror ring, and this is priced at rupees 130. So it has a huge mirror over here, as you can see, and this in person looks very nice, guys. This is very gorgeous. So let me quickly wear it and show it to you guys. So guys, this is how it looks. This is so pretty, guys. Just look at it. Coming to the next piece in the box. So the next thing that I've received is a nose pin, and the design that I've received is a floral design. So it's like one of those huge chunky nose pins. Like, these are so much in a trend right now. Now guys, I'm personally someone who can't really carry a nose pin, because I don't know why I can't really carry nose pins, but I'm going to give this one a try. Also, guys, I think my mother is going to love it, because she loves nose pins, and she likes like really huge chunky ones, small ones. She loves all kind of nose pins. So I'm just going to give this one a try, and let's see how it looks. I just hope it looks good. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks. Like, I've already told you guys that I can't carry nose pins. Like, I don't know why. Moving to the next thing that I've received. So the next thing I have received in the box is the necklace, and I think it's the Start product. So the necklace that I've received is right here. What do you guys think? I'm just spellbound. Just look at this. This is gorgeous, guys, and this is priced at rupees 250. This is so beautiful, guys, and it goes with the earring also. That is what I've noticed right now. It kind of goes, no, it actually goes with the earrings. So guys, this is how it looks, and also, guys, it has a really long chain which you can adjust as per your choice. Like, you can hang it, or you can just stick it to your neck and wear it like this. So this is how it's looking, guys, and this is so gorgeous. Just look at this piece. This is beautiful, guys. So now moving to the last piece in the box, which is a Mang Tika. Let me show it to you guys. So the one that I've received is right here. So this is how it looks, and this one is priced at rupees 150, guys. So let me quickly take off the tag and wear it and show it to you guys. Okay, guys, so I have the Mang Tika on right now, and I quickly just made a bun and fixed it on my hair, and it's very easy to fix it on your hair because the chain is really long. They've kept a lot of chain for you to find the appropriate place for you to stick it wherever you want to. And guys, this looks really pretty. What do you guys think? I think this looks so nice. So with that guys, my unboxing comes to an end. Now coming to my overall thoughts, I'm going to talk about each and every aspect one by one. So first of all guys, let's start with the quality of the jewelry. So guys, I think the quality of the jewelry is quite great. Like for the price you pay, I think it's really good quality jewelry that you're getting. Now coming to the quantity, I think for rupees 299 they are giving 5 jewelry pieces and you are getting several options. If you are a earring lover like me, you can go for the earring only package, and if you want you can choose neck pieces, earrings, you can mix and match, and you can go for this one as well. Just tell them whatever you like. And I really love the fact that House of Pandora actually sends you jewelry pieces according to your choice, and by that they literally stick to it. Like they do send you pieces according to your choice. And lastly guys, coming to the price, so if you ask me that whether this box is worth it or not, I will say this is a steal guys. Like this is literally a steal. Like for $2.99 you're getting 1 2 3 4 5 jewelry pieces which are of good quality. They look amazing, they're gorgeous, they're just showstopper jewelry pieces and they look so gorgeous. Overall I think this box is a bomb box guys. It's a great box and I will definitely recommend the box to you all. So guys, with that my video comes to an end. If you guys have liked this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys, and also do check out House of Pandora's website. I will link down everything down in my description box. So guys, I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.